Hi again, little explorer. I'm Kip the Koala. Welcome back to our ABC adventure. Today, we're learning letters P to T. Let's go on an outback safari. Let's say P. P is for penguin. Penguins love to waddle and slide on the ice. Perfect job. Let's say Q. Q is for quokka. Quokkas are small and always have a big smile. Quite amazing. Let's say R. R is for rainbow. Rainbows light up the sky with beautiful colors. Really wonderful. Let's say S. S is for snake. Snakes slither and hiss as they move. Superb work. Let's say T. T is for turtle. Turtles carry their homes on their backs. Top effort. You did it. You learned letters P, Q, R, S, and T. Give yourself a big outback cheer and a happy little dance. Next time, we'll discover even more letters together. Follow along for more Kip adventure.